Kill me. Okay.
$11E. Alright guys, got a cold towel. Got a nice flower on the seat, very nice presentation. The soap, the Royal Orchid, Thai Airways. We have a pair of slippers. We have a very nice amenity kit. We have a nice pillow. This is Thai. Pair of headphones. And we have a big old blanket for this 6-hour flight to Seoul. In the seat, you have a nice little storage compartment where you can keep your phone, boarding pass. This is the jack for the headphones. Universal power port. Nice little armrest. Privacy partition. Gives a nice feel of privacy. A nice reading light. Here is the tray table. Nice tray table, all wood. Seat controls. The bed does not go fully flat, it reclines. It's like close to 180 degrees, but not full. So we got a remote for the TV. Guys, and since we're in the bulkhead, we have the entertainment screen right here. Okay, nope. Oh. There's the entertainment. Oh, what is that?
Butterfly tea with lemon juice.
Oh, can I have that, please? Thank you so much. We got the menu. Very nice. One more look at the seat. Alright guys, here's one of the business class bathrooms. It's a nice orchid, Thai signature like symbol, I would say. They also have some milk cream, whatever that means. And they have some hydrating cream. That's it. Very nice presentation, very clean. And yeah, it's the bathroom. Alright, let's look inside the amenity kit on this really nice tray table made out of wood. And it slides and swivels so you can get out of your seat during the meal service if you ever need to. So yeah, let's take a look inside. Alright, here are all the contents inside the amenity kit. Thai Airways lets you know what you're getting inside the amenity kit, which I think is very nice. So you got lip balm, mouthwash, lotion, oral kit, so toothpaste and a toothbrush, and a comb, which I think is very nice for a 5-hour flight. And Mandarin Duck is the company that makes this amenity kit. The airline has these nice slippers. Doesn't say Thai on them. Still very nice. Here are the headphones that Thai provides for the entertainment. Nice noise canceling. Nice headphones. So for the entertainment, it is touchscreen. Or you could use the remote, whichever one you would like. But just again to show you how great Thai Airways entertainment is, look at their movies. They got a ton of movies. 4 pages full, and then four more movies on the 5th page. They have a ton there. Entertainment, their TV. Also got a ton of TV shows, which is quite insane. And let's see their games. We got all these different kinds of games. These are just the different categories. And then if you go like arcade or whatever, then there's quite a few in each category. Alright, let's take a look at the menu. Let's look at the food. So on this 4-hour, 50-minute flight, there's a meal, Bangkok-Seoul. So there's 3 options. You can have a Thai option, Western option, or Korean option. I went for the Thai option. And then if you ever get hungry during the flight, there's all-day dine with buckwheat noodle soup, tiger prawn, and mochi, and all this good stuff, ramen. So if you ever get hungry during the flight, you can order one of these snacks. The meal service has just started. Received a drink and some nuts. Alright guys, the appetizer has just arrived. It's some like chicken thing, I'm not exactly sure. We just got a hot towel because they're about to serve the main course. Alrighty guys, we just received the main course. This is the Thai option. Got some steamed rice, some snap peas or vegetables, whatever you want to call them. Some like fried chicken, a soup, and some sauce to go with whatever, I guess. So yeah, it looks like a great meal. Alright, we just got dessert. Everyone gets a little chocolate. And then I got the banana and syrup. There was a choice between 2 choices. That's good. And then to conclude the meal service, you get a choice between coffee or tea. I got some tea, some sugar. Great meal on Thai Airways. Here is what the bed looks like. It doesn't go a full 180 degrees. It's still very comfortable for this 5-hour flight. So now I'm gonna watch a movie, probably order a snack, and yeah, the flight attendants just went around and handed a bottle of water to everyone. Alright guys, I just got my in-flight snack. I got the buckwheat noodle soup with prawns. Comes with chopsticks and some bread. We only have like a little over an hour left. I'm gonna eat this. Looks good. But yeah, I just wanted to try one of the snacks. Alright guys, we just gonna have one more tea before we land. There's a bit of turbulence, so it's kind of spilling, but that's okay. Watching a movie. Good flight, good flight. Thank you.